this box. We got cut off in the middle of opening this box, so I already know what's in it.
Oh, yeah. We started to give clues.
We started to give clues, so any guesses, you can start your guesses now.
Those who remember last Friday.
USB charger.
Nice guess.
Nice guess.
It's not it!
Nice guess. And for those coming from outside platforms,
Makeup case.
feel free to join us at happyhoneys.com. Come join us. Makeup case. Oh, there's 2 of them in here. They're very small.
I need to see what it is again.
You start giving the clues because I tend to give it out too easy.
Outlet cover, nice Kai. Okay, so Evans family, you're in the right area, so to speak. Makeup case. It is for something in this space.
In this area.
Typically,
foot mask, charger, keychain, lipstick case, outlet cover.
And it's a very specific thing. Let me see if I can give you a clue. Let me see if I can give you a clue.
You're so cryptic, honey. My God, you're so cryptic.
Maybe I need some
sunglasses, glasses,
vitamins,
face mask, neck cream,
vitamin
hair wrap, eye mask, googles, eyelashes, eye cream. Oh, GMG, eye cream. GMG is getting it with the eye cream.
Eye cream. Okay, GMG gets one prize for the eye cream, but it's a special kind of eye cream.
JC Mom says serum. JC Mom says vitamin E serum. Retinol cream, eye mask. You guys are close.
It's a certain...
It's not a cream. I will tell you. It is... Should I tell them that part?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're looking for this word.
Yeah, okay. It's a gel. It's a gel, and we're looking for a specific type of gel. Yes, it's an eye gel. Oh. JC Mom of 3. It is an eye gel.
Well, we'll give a clue. We'll give a prize for JC Mom of 3.
We're going to give you an entry for that. And here it is. Now you can see it. There's something at the beginning. It's a specific type of eye gel. It's an ingredient in it that is really beneficial to the skin.
And let's see if you guys get it.
I can't wait to use this.
Let's see.
There's 2 of them. I'm super excited about this. Retinol eye gel, under eye cream, cooling gel, eye gel. Susie Downs joined us. Susie Downs.
Hey, Susie Downs, you're in the prize wheel.
Glad you're here. You're in the prize wheel. Make sure you guys are following. Scroll over the top right here and click follow. Awesome.
Oh, vitamin C eye cream.
Woo, who got it?
Evans family.
G.I. Joe.
You
got okay. Awesome.
Vitamin C. Yep. Vitamin C. That part's correct. So we'll give Evans family a draw. But G.I. Joe got the full thing correct. Vitamin C eye gel.
Okay, now the first person that can find this particular brand and post the link in the chat, and I'll tell you what brand this is if I can see it. Oh my God, it's small. Jamie, I don't know if you can see this or not.
Yeah, so Evans family, you got it for getting the vitamin C part. And also, G.I. Joe, you got an extra draw for getting the whole thing correct. So, the brand?
It's right. I'll show you where it's at and see if you can see it. It's right there. I need a magnifying glass. Maybe I can see it.
I'm going to have to switch to the camera on my phone and do the old person trick to see if I can...
See if you can see the brand.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like. If you guys have seen this, it's green vitamin C eye gel. And the brand name is... Swiss
Botany. It's Swiss Botany. I need to look it up. Swiss Botany. You can barely see it on there. Okay. That's what it says. It says Swiss Botany. So it's Swiss Botany vitamin C eye gel. That's the one you're looking for.
WSWIS. Yeah.
Yeah, and then the second word is botany. I know it's very difficult to see, but it looks like this, guys. So the first person to put that into the chat, put the link into the chat. Yes, and it looks like JC Mom of 3 got it.
JC Mom of 3's rocking it
You
today.
are rocking it today. JC Mom of 3's on it, ready to win a prize today.